The Elfbar BC Pro 80K is Elfbar's next step in the disposable lineup, built around a transparent tank, smarter e-liquid delivery, and bigger puff counts. At the time of recording, it's priced at $33.99, working out to just $1.35 per milliliter. The main thing that sets the BC Pro 80K apart is the CyberTech Autofill Technology paired with the transparent tank. The system automatically regulates e-liquid flow to keep the coil saturated, which means more consistent flavor, no dry hits, and a clear view of your juice level the whole way through. It's also Elfbar's first transparent tank disposable, so you're not relying on a screen reading to know where you stand. Each one comes pre-filled with 25 milliliters of e-liquid at 20 milligrams per milliliter nicotine strength, delivering up to 80,000 puffs. The Dual Mesh Coil activates turbo mode for fuller, denser vapor, and adjustable airflow lets you dial in the draw. The 1000 mAh fast charging battery keeps it ready to go, with an LED display showing the real-time battery life. Day to day, this one's about consistency and capacity. A clear tank, autofill coil saturation, turbo mode, and 80,000 puffs of runtime in a palm-sized shell. If you've been burned by dry hits or want a disposable that actually shows you what's left, the BC Pro 80K is worth a look.